My name is DeAndre Bowden, and I attend Nashville High. Last summer, I had trouble finding a job. Then I heard about a program Mayor Terry Bellamy started called Kayla. Kayla takes young people like me and helps us find summer internships. It teaches us responsibility, prepares us for college, and it wouldn't have happened without the leadership of Mayor Terry Bellamy.
Helping our young people get summer jobs is just one of the many accomplishments of Terry Bellamy, Asheville's first African-American mayor. Terry Bellamy also got funds from the U.S. Justice Department to fight crime, reduce drug abuse, and get rid of gang activity. That's why violent crime has been steadily dropping. Now, Terry Bellamy's running for Congress to take our fight for better jobs and safer neighborhoods to Washington.
Because of Terry Bellamy, I'll be working this summer, earning money for college and preparing for the future.
On Tuesday, May 8th, vote Terry Bellamy for Congress and send Washington a strong voice for our community.
I'm Terry Bellamy. I approve this ad.
Mayor Bellamy has already made a difference in my life. I know she'll make a difference in yours.
Paid for by the committee to elect Terry Bellamy to Congress.